Good morning. So, if you are thinking I haven't filmed in the garden for a long time, you will actually be right. Well, it feels like I haven't. It's been winter, so winter means plenty of flies buzzing around. And as a result of that, I've stayed away from the garden and I've been in the gym. But anyway, today, let's see if we can get back into the groove. I have this workout here today. It's delivered by Omar. Omar and I have been training together for quite a number of years, on and off. He's the guy that got me to run 11 seconds. He knows what he's doing. Anyway, I'm just going to get on with the workout. As always, subscribe to the channel and let's keep this going. We've just celebrated 100 videos. Let's see what we can do and get up to 200. See you on the other side. Okay, so that's another one done and dusted. I'm not sure what it is about deadlifts, but these deadlifts seem to be getting heavier every week. It's the same weight. I don't know, it's one of those things. Maybe I'm just tired this morning. But anyway, I hope you like that. Follow the channel for more of these kind of workouts, and in fact for just workouts in general. As my friend Tanner said, there's no such thing as a bad workout. The intensity that you put into the workout really determines what the outcome is. So yeah, that's it really. I'm not going to turn to a philosopher, but you get my drift. Subscribe. Peace out.